Why won't my iPhone 11 turn on? At this time, we are unable to determine why your iPhone 11 won't turn on. Many times, iPhone won't turn on due to software crash. However, your iPhone may also have hardware issues. In this video, we will introduce several methods on how to fix iPhone 11 won't turn on. Method 1. Charge your iPhone. Check your charging cable carefully for fraying. Or try charging your iPhone 11 with a different cable to see if it starts working. Your iPhone 11 won't turn on. It could be because the iPhone is out of battery. Method 2. Force restart iPhone. You can press the volume up button and release it quickly, then press the volume down, then hold the power button until you see the Apple logo on the screen. This can fix some iOS software glitches. Method 3. Use Joyoshare UltFix iOS system recovery. Joyoshare UltFix is a professional iOS repair tool, can fix more than 150 iOS system issues, which including iPhone 11 won't turn on issue. Not only iPhone, but also iPad, iPod Touch. After install and launch Joyoshare UltFix on the computer. Next, plug your iPhone to the computer, and put your iPhone into the DFU mode. After that, choose iOS system repair option to proceed. And then press the start button to begin. You are now in the mode selection window. There are two modes available for you. Here we select the standard mode. Then some of the info about your iPhone will be displayed on the screen. Make sure all the info is correct, and change the wrong parts. Then press the download button to download the matching firmware package. Lastly, click the Start Standard Repair button. The downloaded firmware package will be unzipped, and the program will start to fix your iPhone issue. A few minutes later, the repairing process will finish, and your iPhone will come back to the normal. Method 4. Check if there is hardware issue. If your iPhone 11 still won't turn on, please plug your iPhone into your computer, and open iTunes to check if your computer can recognize your iPhone 11. If your computer recognizes your iPhone, it usually indicates a hardware issue with the display, such as physical or liquid damage. We recommend that you back up your iPhone as soon as your computer recognizes it, and then contact an Apple repair store for a hardware repair. Method 5. Restore iPhone via iTunes. If iTunes cannot recognize your iPhone, you can try to put your iPhone in recovery mode, and then restore your iPhone through iTunes. After you put your iPhone in recovery mode, you will receive a message that there is a problem with the iPhone that requires it to be updated. You are restored. Press on the Restore button to have a confirmation, and restore iPhone 11 to check if the issue resolved.